Hey lads, TechScanning here. So if you are impressed by Apple's latest iPhone Dynamic Island feature, well, you are not alone. News there that the Realme and Xiaomi already working on iPhones like Dynamic Island on their future phones. However, thanks to a developer, now you can get the taste of a Dynamic Island on your Android phone. So without further ado, let's get that Dynamic Island on your Android phone without any ads. So first of all, go to the App Store and look for the DynamicSpot app. Make sure to type without spaces and it's the same developer. Once it's installed, open it and follow the instructions. So for the setting, first of all you need to select the app you want to use Dynamic app for. Like if you just want the music player to appear in the Dynamic Island, then here just turn on the music. As I want every app, so I will select the all. Now go back and this time select notification access and there allow the DynamicSpot app for notifications. You are done here. So go back again and this time you need to turn on the settings for the DynamicSpot to show floating pop-ups. Now go back and hit the done button. There we go now. You will be able to enjoy the Dynamic Island on your Android phone. The beauty of this app, you can customize the DynamicSpot like its size and position. There is also a paid version of the app with a price tag of $4.99. It will unlock some additional features like enabling DynamicSpot on the lock screen. Here I want to mention the app is still in the beta version, so don't expect it to work flawlessly. But for the most part, it will work nicely. So try it out and share your experience. And that's it for today. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.